In Hamilton today, the president of Mohawk College says there will be no more layoffs this year after a third round of notices went out earlier this week. Sean Cowan has more.
Over the past several months, Mohawk College has eliminated 255 full-time positions, including faculty, support staff, and administration. The layoffs have been done in 3 phases, with the third and final phase happening this week, when 34 people lost their jobs. While some have been laid off, others have taken an early retirement, and some jobs are just not being filled.
Overall, our full-time headcount is reduced by just over 20%, and it is equivalent. It's exactly the same percentage reduction across the 3 employee groups.
This is all avoidable. This has happened from decades of underfunding by the province, and even now in this financial crisis, we have called out to the Premier to help with some emergency funding that would have mitigated these layoffs. So the crisis that we're facing was entirely avoidable, and it could be down the road. We need proper funding for the whole college system in order for this never to happen again.
While some creative arts and studies programs have been reduced, Mohawk College President Paul Armstrong says there are other areas that are in high demand.
We have 2 areas that are actually growing. So we have enrollments growing in our health and community studies area and in skilled trades and apprenticeship, which as I've been saying right since I started in the role, is important work we have to do to make sure that our programs are focused on where the highest level of demand is from our employers.
And even though Mohawk has had some layoffs, the college still plans on expanding into Burlington.
Almost 600 students a year from Halton, like Burlington, Oakville, coming to Hamilton. So we are going to expand in Burlington. It will create capacity there. It'll meet a workforce need, and it's actually going to create capacity in Hamilton for more Hamilton students who are qualified, who can stay here, study, and then work.
Mohawk's expansion into Burlington will roll out in phases over several years, with a variety of programs being offered in different locations.
And what we're hoping is that in the next 2 years, this situation settles, the college gets into a rebuilding phase, and people who've been laid off will then be eligible to be recalled to the college.
Sean Cowan, CHCH News, Hamilton.